Did you know? There's a tiny bird that's an amazing nest builder. It's called the weaver bird, nature's little architect. Using only its beak, it weaves grass and fibers into a strong and secure nest. Here's the unique part. Only the males build the nests. If the female approves, then the nest will be used for laying eggs. A single male can even build several nests to impress potential mates. And the nest entrance always faces downward, keeping chicks safe from predators. Incredible, right? Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing animal facts.